Taking a nice walk here on Canada Day. Got my trusty little friend here with me. I'm going to be out looking for some plants that I can possibly use. Here we've got some, I believe it's called Devil's Paintbrush. And I've got this in my yard as well, but it's outgrowing wild here. Here's a baby little fern. I just love seeing little tiny baby plants coming to life in the forest. Here's a big patch of the Devil's Paintbrush here. Found this last year, this lot. These are really interesting. Whenever you go off the trail, no idea what these are. You find more interesting things. We've got some bunch of buttercups over there, and I'm going to go off trail a bit more because it's not. You can't get lost here. It's not that expansive and confusing because the water's in one direction and the land is the other. I don't know if you can see it over there, but there's like a kind of a crane or something over there on the beach. There were some little babies over here, but they took off when they saw me. It's just standing there. I don't know if you can see it moving. I can't. This camera only zooms so far. Hello, little girl. Look at this. I turned to sit down on a rock, and look what's growing here right beside the water. It looks like a kind of a wild iris, I guess it is. Not sure. It looks like there's some more over there as well. And I'm not sure what those are. Kind of looks like, reminds me of chives, but I don't know what that is. Some nice natural wood here that I might make a wand out of these. They're bleached from the sun and they're a nice delicate size. Yeah, if anybody knows what this stuff is, it's right by the water, right along the water's edge. The crane's back as well. These are really interesting. I have no idea what these are. She spotted something like about a minute ago. Now I looked up this little flower here, and it is not edible. I know it's coming across, or it seems to be looking blue on the screen, but it's actually purple, and when it dries it looks blue. But apparently you can use the flowers for naturally dyeing stuff, but it's not edible otherwise, according to what I've read, and I'll put the name of it on the screen. The roots of this one are apparently edible. And there's a plant over here. It's kind of hard to see. That one is apparently edible, but it's hairy, so not sure how that would work out. I wouldn't want to eat something with the little filaments on it myself. But I suppose you could strain it somehow if you made it into a tea. There's a lot of mullein that grows around here. You can probably hear the big highway behind me. Now there's some plants over here. I believe they're a kind of milkweed, and I'm wondering if they have some relation to the giant ones that cause like severe burns, but I'm not sure. It gets really intensely hot here. I mean, you only have summer really for... You don't really have a spring. It's just like, bam, summer, and it's over in a flash, but I can enjoy it today, that's for sure. Got doggy number 2 with me here. Hey, Luch. Hello. Pretty girl. You can see her hair, poor dog. That's from eating this supposedly holistic dog food. She's like a hairless chihuahua now. You're so cute. Yes, you are. I don't want you going down to the water, though, because you're all clean, and I don't trust that water. And there's the locals for you. Nice. Hello, pretty girl. You are one pretty girl. Oh, are you hot? Oh, shade. There are these flies. I think they're flies. They are striped like wasps, and they are attacking me, and they sting like a wasp too. Haven't been able to catch one, but I saw today about 3 different kinds of butterflies. One was black and white, one was a light blue, and one was white. Oh yes, Luch. Are you having fun, my precious? Hey? This is my favorite part. Entering into shade.